Hey, my battery done. Hi guys, I just had breakfast with my boy. Come on, Jay, go. You know my boys don't like the camera. Yeah, it was lovely. Ain't these bad boys amazing? Oh my god, I wanted to cry. This is so cute. Oh my god. And let the presents keep rolling. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. Guess what? It's my motherfucking birthday. It's my birthday. And I can do what I like. It's my birthday. I'm so excited. But guess what? Hey, I woke up this morning and look what my husband surprised me with. Hey. My husband is so sweet. He surprised me with a nice cologne, and I'm so excited. A machina. Machina. Wait. Hold on. Okay, my husband gives the best present when it's a surprise. A machina trailer. It is so cute. I love it. He got me a cake as well. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you, Han. Hey. Then I got a card from my son. And he got me a spa treatment. Plus we're going to, I think we're going to breakfast tomorrow. And it says a birthday. Let me turn down my TV. It says a birthday is the perfect excuse for cake. So nice. And he wrote, "Happy birthday, Mom. I know that we argue a lot and can get into conflict, but I want you to know that I will always love you and that I want to wish you a happy birthday. Have a lovely day. From Jaden." Love you, Jaden. This was amazing. Then I got a bag. This is a Rita Ora bag from Primark. Rita Ora. And it's from my girl Sebla. Thank you, Sebla. I wanted to get this bag for myself. And the story is I put it away. And when I was going home, she gave me the receipt and said, "You need to pick up something downstairs." And when I looked, this was it. So thank you, girl. This was a surprise and it's amazing. Love it, girl. Thank you. It's my mother freaking birthday. Oh, this is my birthday cake. It's an egg-free cake and it's quite delicious. So, I'm just chilling at my house in the morning, like heating out down the place. And then, who knows, later might be greater. But I'm not fussy. So, it's all I want for my birthday. So, look, my bottle of rum. Cheers to my birthday. This is my outfit, my Zara jacket, my Rita Ora t-shirt and a ripped jeans, and my trainers. My date with my boo.
I'm just being like grateful for your birthday.
Oh, your capital is now loaded.
I thought we were going to get a savoury one.
Hi guys, it's early in the morning, about 8 o'clock, and I'm off shopping to the supermarket because my girl is coming over to my house tonight for a little drink up. It's just me and my girl for my birthday, my friend Nettie. The problem is I've got a tendency, not the problem, tendency of OCD. I just can't tolerate my family, just my child and my husband in the house at the moment. I'm taking my time. Maybe next year I'll have a big party. I doubt that, but I'm trying. So I'm going to the supermarket to get some drinks and some shopping for the house. So maybe I'll show you what I buy. So see you later. Oh, I've got birthday present! Antoinette, this is nice. You know I wanted it.
There's three of them inside of it.
How did you know I want one?
Now I'm known as the guy who can fix just
Oh my
about anything,
God.
but technology,
What is
most
it?
appliances
Is this the partition?
The storage bag.
That's cute.
Home warranty. Choice Home Warranty covers over 25
Alright,
major
that's
home
the-
systems
you know the
and
one with the
appliances.
eyebrow.
That's your AC,
Alright.
heating, plumbing,
You got
kitchen, and
all
laundry
those.
appliances,
Well,
and
we
so
got-
much more. Call Choice
Well,
Home
we know
Warranty
where these
now
came
before
from.
something breaks down.
Come on.
Protection for your heating,
Come,
AC,
guess who in
plumbing,
the
kitchen,
building?
laundry appliances,
Aw.
and more.
Midday, I'm here.
800-705-7575.
Where is the microphone? Oh, you brought stuff too.
Yeah, come on. I got.
You not think so much of stuff over here?
Hold on there. It's a microphone.
How you doing, buddy? You look a little zoned.
Oh, these are, what's this?
Just feel, I don't know, wore
These are
out.
earrings. Oh, we're not twins.
Yeah, I'm not.
No, we're
like,
not, because you're not wearing the same time.
Like with her, I'm not. You know, I can understand.
Yeah, go make people
There's so
feel
many
like, oh,
times
this
where I
is-
wish I could just
Oh,
change
I
who I
love
was.
It's three of them inside of it.
You know, even for just like a day.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Made fun of the bunch.
Yeah, that's
Don't
bad.
overdo it.
It's just a lot to worry about, I think, on a daily
Look at the
basis.
front. Do you want to do
Having
my
a fake
hair?
profile.
said you want me to do that
I'm trying to
first
really
before I get
understand
drunk.
it and stuff, but
You gonna be
can't
quick?
really understand
I'll do it
why.
quick if you want me to.
You think she'll be
Yeah.
okay?
I mean, she's had a lot of stuff happen to her, so I don't know.
Happy birthday to me!
Happy Mama didn't say she was true like I was gonna be sick. I love that. So, come on, we got 2 more. That's how she already done hers already, you know. That.
Holiday spirit.
I like, bloody hell.
Learn easy recipes.
And I could drink anywhere. I can't drink any drink. I can't drink white rum. White rum is anything.
Of Chef Syrupy Spirit with Chef
I could drink anybody under the table with white rum.
Really?
Listen, when we was at you know the bar, not a bar, there's a little drink up at Anthony.
Chef Specially Marked Boxes and Chef Cereal today.
Anthony. Now you know I told you one time that we had a little, and we was going to, but until it started raining, Val was there too. Yeah, that day, it was me and my kid on the rum alone. And we had one big bottle like this and it come all the way down there. If it wasn't raining, we would have gone.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
I mean, she's got some
One
heavy
love,
filter.
stir it up.
I mean, that's
Buffalo Soldier.
It's a filter.
Here's a nice one. Cute. And then what's
I have
this?
to look
This
at
is
something.
Julie's sister, Jessica. I want you to know that you shouldn't be pressuring her to do this. You know she would want to be on national television. If you want to keep having a
Yeah,
relationship
that is
with her, you really
very
shouldn't be
good.
doing this crazy bull at all.
Okay, so something's going
TJ.
on, and you turn
Go
the
on,
heat and
Drift.
stuff's starting to boil over.
Yeah, apparently so.
Hopefully this isn't a scam.
Well, you're not done.
Hey!
Lives in Michigan.
I remember fucking up. Hey! I remember fucking up. Hey!
Check it out. There are things about it that we have to be
Hey!
sure that work. Obviously,
Down them serious. Down them no nervous. Let me tell you about. Hello, testing. Yes. One for garlic, look at why I come out and drop them flat. Oh, you have no care about that. Can't talk in my face. And the action back somewhere on the floor of check. Get up for them stairs, for them stairs, for them stairs. Talk them action for them stairs. Hey yo, you know this one? It's a burner, a new one. Sexy. The one that I can make.
Girls in the microwave, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram, the vibe now. Start feeling like London Bridge. I don't care what's on you in the magazine.
It's on camera. Y'all them serious. Hey, y'all them no nervous.
Thank you for rain.
I thank you for crying, I thank you for rain. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, you know it? To the highway road, while if the house gets low, sad and all alone, I will be there. You know the Tyler one is at the top.
Yeah, stay.
What song is this?
I can't even
Is
see
it? What's it?
Cherry. Like this.
Oh, stereo, baby.
Just a bit with you.
Hey.
Na 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 na.
Oh,
Cherry, baby. Wait up, then. Long time. Hey! Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. That's the only thing I know. Little darling, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up.
You're good at karaoke, innit?
Stir it up. Yalla. Little darling, stir it up. It's been a long, long time. You're on my mind. You got it, son. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Broke one. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring. Da-da-da-da-da.
Let me do it. You're funny, you know. That's my
Booyaka. Turn it up. You can sing. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring. You don't even know. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring. Life and fire, fight it don't play. Booyaka, and then shabba-ranking. Better than that, till you think that they keep putting it on the video, the original donkey.
Finally, hey, the DJ Army.
Butterfly. And bubble.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling, let's frugal-a-ring.
Time for bubble.
Wait.
Give me one clap. Oh, you have a favorite?
Ready?
Could it be that someone's impersonating?
Popcorn.
Yeah.
Oh, we get a juice box to daddy. I don't know about it. You heard me? All right. You ready to go? Come on, your son. Can you move it there?
And I love my yardy. Bring back down my bring my shots. Sweet trees, come to for fun. When we get the blood, feel it on my heart. Feel it soft. Do the shit, don't be those fans. Get ready, get ready, class. When we get the blood, class with the fur. Class with the head, I get the class with the fur. Class with the summer, class with the winter. Class with the sun, class with the... Hey.
You want to sing it?
Feel we never fix I forgot it. Feel we are sin and you go check out down with the matic. When we send it down the rocket, push it, plug up in and you got the socket. Then you wind and go down, then you pop it. Now look how them jump out of the pocket.
Baby, I was
I'm saving for you. You want it from I'm waiting for you.
Baby, you must tell me.
Save it for you, only you. Save it for you. Cause you're clapping now your pussy prince.
Hey, we're about you done.
Is it?
Hi guys, I just want to end my vlog properly and say that my birthday was amazing. The last night, that was Sunday night, my hubby took me out on a date night, which was wonderful. So I'd like to thank everyone who wished me a happy birthday and all the presents and all the kind words. And if you're watching and reach this far, just remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, just remember to keep watching my video and leave a comment because it helps my channel to grow. So thank you. Yeah, just remember to keep watching my video and leave a comment because it helps my channel to grow. So thank you.